Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. So let's talk about cluster point of doing degree or BSN in nursing, BSN or degree in nursing in Kenya. Yeah, so what is this cluster point or cut point? So let us see what is it. So cluster points or cut points are the minimum scores for admission for a specific university course in Kenya. So these points are determined based on the performance of a candidate in the KCSE examination. So each university set its cluster point for various degree programs. For example, cluster point for nursing differ from those who are doing law in the same university. So student must meet or exceed this cluster point to be eligible for admission to the respective courses. So the reason why I'm doing this thing of cluster point in nursing, because I was asked about it. So if you want to do nursing at any higher institution in Kenya, you are required 4 cluster subjects to be admitted. So the 4 cluster subjects for nursing are mathematics, physics, English, Kiswahili, chemistry, biology. Yeah, those ones. So it is from this cluster subject that a university will calculate your minimum cluster, and in other words, you may have mean grade of B, but you don't have the minimum points that specific university wants you to get. All universities have their minimum cluster points for nursing. For example, each cluster point for nursing at Dedan Kimathi University differ from those cluster points from Chuka University, differ from cluster point from Maseno University, differ from any other university. So let us look at these cluster points, because we have seen that different universities have their own cluster point according to the different programs that they have. So these cluster points are only for nursing, yeah, for nursing as a course. So those who want to do BSN, these are the cluster points you need to get for that specific university. I'm going to list the universities and plus the cluster point they want you to get, or they require you to get or exceed that cluster point, so that you can get admitted to that university. So the cluster point for Chuka University, at Chuka University, you're supposed to get cluster point of 9.907. You also require to get a mean grade of C+, with C+ in each cluster subjects of English, maths, biology, physics, chemistry. Yeah. Daystar University wants you to get a cluster point of 8.642. A direct applicant at Daystar must have a mean grade of C+ in KCSE or more, with the 4 subject of cluster point of C+ in those 4 subjects. Yeah, those 4 subjects: the English, Kiswahili, maths, chemistry, biology, and physics. They usually choose between physics, chemistry, and what? Biology is a must in nursing, so you have to pass biology. And again, we have Egerton University. You have to get 41.338. I think Egerton University is the one with the highest cluster point, and you have to get, you ensure that you have KCSE. What is this now? A minute please. You ensure you have, because I'm reading them from somewhere. So yeah, Egerton, you ensure that you have a mean grade of C plus in KCSE. Maths, English, Kiswahili, you have to get C plus. Those that I've said, English, maths, biology, physics, chemistry, yeah, those ones. Remember, biology is a must. Remember, English is a must. Yeah, in most of these universities, they usually talk Kiswahili, and what? And English, but most university prefer Kiswahili. Kabarak University, you have to get 40.805, yeah, with C plus of those cluster subjects that I've listed. Kenya Methodist University, you have to get 39.353 with C plus in those cluster subjects that I've mentioned. Kibabi University, 35.9 with C plus in those cluster subjects that I've mentioned. Also Kirinyaga University, 38.403 with C plus in those subjects that I've mentioned. Kisii University, 40.431, Masinde Muliro, 40.996 with also you must get C plain in English, biology, chemistry, and physics, or what? Yeah, those ones. Also, Meru University of Science and Technology, 38.992. You can enroll for degree in nursing in Kenya at Meru University of, if you have a mean grade of C plus C plus in those cluster subjects. Pwani University, 38.879. Most of university, you see, you have to get C plus of the cluster points that they want. This University of Embu, 38.848, with the C plus in those cluster subject. University of Kibabi, 38.931. Uzima University, 37. Yeah, Uzima University, 37, C plus in those cluster subjects. Well, yeah. So in short, those are the universities in Kenya that are. I've read about Maseno. Maseno is also another one with which is doing what? I don't know if I've read it, but it's also offering degree or BSN. So far, the one with the highest cluster point is what? Which one? Is just a minute. The one with the highest cluster point is Egerton University, 41. That is 41 with some points, and then Masinde Muliro, and then Masinde Muliro with 40 points. Yeah, the least cluster point is 35, and that is Kibabi University. So, and remember, you have to get C plus, because I've not seen any mean grade of below that. So you have to get C plus in what? Mean grade of C plus, and you make sure those cluster subjects that I've mentioned, English, biology, maths, physics, chemistry, yeah, they will choose for. So you have to get C plus in all those 4 cluster subjects. Yeah. About the fee also differ from one university to another. So I'm not sure about the fee in those universities. I think that is what I wanted to clarify. So let's meet in the next video. Bye, till next time.